Timber Products is a wood products manufacturing company. We produce a wide range of products from softwood plywood to hardwood veneer to hardwood lumber. Timber Products has plants in Southern Oregon, Northern California, Mississippi, Michigan. TP Trucking has been a very good source for us in transferring our wood to the mills and to the customers. But wonderful people, all very contributing to the success of Timber Products.
Timber Products is really one enterprise. We work together as a team. It's not individual silos. And it's really good for our customers because they can buy multiple different items on one truck. You could have softwood plywood, you could have TFL or laminates, you could have our UV panels, hardwood plywood, or raw particle board. We ship it to all one location, and we could actually put it on a Timber Products truck and deliver it to the customer.
At Timber Products, we pride ourselves on being nimble and responsive to customers' needs. So we actively work with our customers, we listen to what their needs are, and we develop custom products that meet those needs that customers are looking for.
To establish the culture to deliver the customer centricity we're looking for is really about leadership. And that comes from the top on down through the organization. And our CEO and the folks that report to him have really taken that culture to heart and brought it through the organization.
The really key elements to this organization is we have a great group of people, and we have a good leadership team and great employees, and it's trying to make sure that we're working more as a team and a unit. It's about going into the market and finding out what our clients want and then work with them to develop a product that meets their needs.
Everyone that works with me on my team, we cherish every log that comes in. That is a valuable resource. It's incumbent upon us as the consumer of that resource to place the product, be it the veneer into the correct panel, all the way down to the peeler core, to the bark that comes off the log, goes into soil conditioners, peeler core go into tree stakes, you name the product, everything has value because it goes back to that tree, that log and that tree.
We really pride ourselves on quality, and I believe that that's been the big key talking to all the customers is that our quality is above everybody else's.
We have quite a few plywood mills, we have veneer facilities, so as the particle board plant kind of fits into that is that we're able to supply raw material sheet stock for that purpose. In addition to the sheet stock that we supply, a big portion of our product mix is ultimately door core.
Here at Table Rock Composite Specialties, we can take from all of our other mills, we bring what they make and we customize it.
We have a TFL line here at Table Rock. We have a roll press line. We have what we actually call our value added division, which is a whole bunch of CNCs and everything from cut to size parts. Tread decks are our main focus in that value add department. We also have a UV line that we apply our Rhino Coat pre-finish.
Most people think of Timber Products as a hardwood plywood plant. You know, that's kind of what we do, that's our forte. Here at Grants Pass Plywood, we're mostly a softwood plant. I would say 90% softwood and 10% hardwood. Some of the products line we run here are Kodiak ply, which is our siding panels, Barracuda ply, which are our marine panels.
It's a well-paying job. They treat their employees really well. Benefits are good, great. And they have a lot of incentives. All the supervisors and everybody that we work for down here is always really friendly.
There's a stability here where even if things slow down, there's always something to do. They don't just send people home. It's pretty fulfilling.
We've always been a company of best practices. We like to do a little bit more than what is required. I think that you can see that in our drivers, and I think that you can see it in our equipment. We'd like to make it a more personable feel. We have great policies, we've got great benefits, we've got great pay. It's a great company that's been around for a long time.
We got a very diversified product line. So sure, we make hardwood plywood, but that's not just it. We can do beaded panels, we can do paper, we can do a pre-finish coating, and we also recently added the ability to do 10-foot panels instead of just 8-foot panels.
I think this property integrates well with the overall Timber Products Corporation. We primarily peel hardwood, hard maple. Our customers are plywood manufacturers. So we're providing the skins or the face and back to plywood that's produced internal to timber products.
I think when people look at timber products, the first thing that comes to their mind is plywood. They don't really think about the hardwood lumber side of the business that we have. We make some of the best hardwood lumber in the industry. We are in a host of different manufacturing environments, be it in kitchen cabinets for the RV industry, in the railroad ties and pallets. We process about 1,200 saw logs a day through our facility. Every piece of that log is either turned into veneer, it's turned into lumber, it's turned into pulp, or it's fuel. Nothing is wasted once it comes onto this site.
So at Timber Products, one of our core philosophies is do the right thing. We make sure that all of the products that we source are from legally harvested material. We take on that burden so that our customers don't have to worry about any material that they source from Timber Products.
And anytime they want to see the information that we've collected about our supply chains, we're fully transparent with our customers. We pass that information along to them so that they can see what our supply chain is and make sure that they're comfortable with it as well.
Our plant manager is very big on allowing the employees to actually work, to actually meet, have their own meetings, plan out their own work, and it's been giving them that pride in their own work when they get to present it to everybody else.
You know, the managers and the leadership that we have, they're really open to suggestion and just letting people have a voice. And I think that's really special and makes you feel closer and like you matter.
You know, I feel like the difference between us and our competitors is the people, the service. If something goes wrong, we got your back. If you have a problem, I look at a claim as an opportunity to strengthen our relationship with that customer. And the folks that have been with us for a long time appreciate it.
I love the people that I work with. I'm constantly learning. It's exciting.
There is never a dull moment. We're kind of a fast-paced, high-production work environment. So there's always something going on. There's always areas where we can improve to make our production flow better. There has to be a lot of effort along the line to make everything go smoothly. So being part of that team and kind of pulling your weight in that team makes it a worthwhile feeling.
One thing I'd really like our customers to know about Timber Products is actually how much is involved in producing our panels. It could be that you need Medford plywood to ship a blank over to our Table Rock division to have a laminate applied to it, and then actually it could be loaded onto a Timber Products truck and delivered to the customer. And all of that takes a tremendous amount of coordination with all of our employees.
We have experienced salespeople, experienced quality control measures. We have great manufacturing. And so all those pieces to come together to offer a product to the customer that they can use and feel good about.